Today we are going to study computer of grade 6th. Chapter number 1 about computer. Introduction. A computer is a machine that can perform several functions. You can program your computer to do your jobs the way you want it does. Computers are getting more and more advanced every day. They are becoming more powerful, faster, and easier to work with. Let's see the historical development of computers. In 2014, 400 abacus. It is the earliest known computing device. It consists of beads on a rows of wires or rods. You can calculate and perform arithmetic operation by moving these beads in a particular pattern. In 1670s, Napier's Bones invented a system of movable rods based on logarithms, which was able to multiply, divide, and calculate square and cube roots. In 1622, slide rule, it was mainly used for multiplication and division. It was also used for functions such as roots, algorithm, and trigonometry, but not normally used for addition and subtraction. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a 19-year-old boy, invented a calculating machine called Pascaline. This device could add, subtract, and multiply. He did this to help his father, who was an accountant. In 1801, punch cards. Joseph Marie Jacquard developed a loom in which punch cards were used. These punch cards control the different patterns being woven, and series of cards could be changed to alter the design. In 1833, difference engine. Charles Babbage designed the difference engine which used Jacquard's punch cards for its program storage. In 1834, analytical engine. Charles Babbage invented the analytical engine. It had all the essential features which are found in modern digital computers. In 1819, Hermann Hollerith designed a system to record data using punch cards. In 1946, electrical numerical integrator and computer was the first large general purpose electronic computer to be made operational. In 1947, transistor. It could perform the sum functions as the vowel, but was smaller, cheaper, and faster, more reliable, and consumed less electricity. In 1951, Universal Arithmetic Computer. It was the first commercial computer. In 1954, second generation computers. Bell Lab introduced the first computer using transistor instead of vowels. In 1958, integrated circuit ICs. The invention of ICs brought further reduction in the size and increase in speed of computers. In 1960s, third generation computers, many smaller computers were made using integrated circuits. In 1969, first network known In 1970s, first automated teller machine ATM was introduced. Invention of microprocessor. With the coming of microprocessor, the whole range of smaller and more powerful computers got made. In 1981, IBM introduced the first personal computer. Apple Lisa computer. It was the first home computer with a graphical user interface. In 1985, Microsoft Windows 1.0 was released. Since then, computers have become more smaller and more powerful. Computers with sound, graphics, and animation capabilities have flooded workplaces and homes today. Read this lesson, page number 1, 2, and 3. Thank you.